Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Benazet. In today's video I'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial with 1 million strokes. Like, if you don't have hairs, or if you are that person who loves this trending eyebrow looks with strokes, this video is definitely for you. So if you're interested in seeing how I'll be doing this, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and continue to watch the video till the end. I love you guys. Bye. First thing, I'll be using my primer to prime my eyebrows, and I'll be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Next, I'll be going in with powder to set the eyebrows, and this is how it looks like. This is the LA Colors Mineral Powder. To outline the eyebrows, I'll be using this Beauty Creation Eyebrow Gel. This is the Beauty Creation Eyebrow Gel. The best and the most important thing related to these stroke eyebrows is the kind of product you are using. If you are using a pencil, make sure the pencil is super sharp, and I don't think the pencil is going to work that best like the eyebrow gel. But if you want me to do another eyebrow tutorial using the pencil to create the strokes, let me know down in the comment section below. The eyebrow gel works really well, and with the eyebrow gel, if you don't use the right brush, you will not still get what you are looking for. And when I say the right brush, this is the kind of brush I'm talking about. Look at this little brush. Can you see how flat the brush looks like? This is what you should use. So you need a tiny little brush like this, and it should be an angle brush as well. So a tiny little angle flat brush. Hope you got that. I'm going to outline the eyebrows. First, I'm going to use the spoolie brush that comes with my angle brush to brush my eyebrow hairs in place. Yes, I know the outline is not looking that perfect, but we're gonna make it look good. Now I'm going to outline the upper part. I'll do this first side before I go to this other side. So now I'm going to use the same brush, and first I take it upward and drag some strokes downward. They might look like they are not visible, but trust me, when I'm done, you understand what I'm doing. You take your time, and when you're starting, you make sure there's less product on the brush for the front part. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm going to continue with the same process. Now I'm going to brush it lightly. You don't have to brush it way too much, because if you are brushing it and you apply a lot of pressure, you may end up like brushing the strokes. So yeah, this is how this side looks like. Now that I'm done filling in the eyebrows and creating the beautiful strokes, I'm going to go ahead and clean the eyebrows with concealer to make it look snatched. And to conceal the eyebrows, I'll be using this 16 Hours Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. I'll be using this brush. This is a regular brush. It says it's a Pure Mineral Maximum Coverage brush. This is how it looks like. Pure Mineral Maximum Coverage brush. Now I'm using my beauty sponge to blend in the concealer. I'm going to use the same concealer to conceal the upper part, but if you are a beginner, you can use your foundation shade, especially if you face difficulties in blending in the excess concealer. I'm going to do the same thing with this other side of my eye, and I will be right back. Now that I'm done concealing both sides, I'm going to move ahead and blend in the excess concealer, and I'll be using my damped beauty sponge. You can use a sponge or brush, any of these. All is for you to blend in the concealer in order to make sure it looks flawless. Now do not forget to blend in this front part in order to give your eyebrows that ombre effect. What do you think about these eyebrows, guys? I love it. It is just beautiful. It looks like I have thick eyebrow hairs, but we all know that in real life they are so thin. Bye.